Next, we will introduce the assembly of the DX3 valve body and its coil. First, we pick up the valve body. Pick up one of the gaskets. These two gaskets are identical. We take one of them into the valve body and put it into this position. Then, we pick up the coil and put it into the valve body along the top to bottom of the coil front. We then take another gasket and put it into this groove. Finally, install this nut by aligning the screw holes inside. Tighten it by hand. After the twist, the coil can hardly be turned by hand. This is the final assembly. Done.